The school psychology program is a 64 credit NASP accredited program.
The National Association of School Psychologists, where once you graduate, you become a nationally certified school psychologist through a process with internship and passing your praxis.
Not only does the school psych program here have a national accreditation, all the professors are extremely professional and experienced in what they do.
One thing that stands out to me about Iona University's graduate program is the connections you make with the professors. There's 4 core professors that you kind of deal with every semester, and you really do get to build a connection with them and get to know them, and they're always there for you.
We're a small program, so we know all of our students, they know us, and they move through the classes as a cohort.
And I really enjoy that more personal level with the professors, that smaller 10 to 15 class size, where you really get to know your professors and know your cohort too as well. I wouldn't be able to make it to my 3rd year smoothly with a few bumps in the roads without my fellow students.
You're gonna get hands on the ground, you're gonna get into schools, you're gonna spend time shadowing, you're gonna spend time doing extensive internships and practicums with experienced professionals.
School psychology students within our program are given a lot of opportunities while they're still in the program to network with other professionals and other students in other graduate programs.
We train our students alongside speech pathologists, occupational therapists, nurses. So we not only train them by themselves, but we also train them with these other disciplines, because when they go out into the field, that's how they're gonna work.
What that does is that gives them, again, a lot of real world experience working with kids, working with families, working with students, and learning about different issues that arise with students. And what that then does is builds their repertoire of knowledge and skill set for when they are working as practicing school psychologists.
I've learned skills such as counseling, consulting, peer mediation, group work, and I've been able to use those skills in my job with Liberty Partnership Program.